So many people ask what I actually can in the summer. So I'm gonna show you, and this isn't even everything. So make sure to follow along now if you wanna learn or you just like watching the process. Okay, let's get into it. Starting off with my tomato product. Crushed tomatoes, whole tomatoes, these are Romas. Of course, tomato juice, tomato soup, spaghetti sauce, so good, the best salsa, and diced Rotel fake meats, pizza sauce, and barbecue sauce. I do 2 types of green beans. These are just the regular old like canned green beans from the store. They're the best. I also do pint sizes of those. And the other one's white half runners. We call them white half runners. They have a white bean. I'm not sure if you can see the white bean in it. Versus the regular green beans have a dark bean. See the difference? Anyways, they're a heartier bean and they're really good cooked with like bacon fat or sausage, different meats. Apple pie filling. And then I don't have any left this season, but we also do like blueberry pie filling and blackberry, raspberry, any different pie fillings. Any fruit I get from the garden, then we'll can that as pie filling or for cobblers or whatever. I love to do carrots. They're my favorite. We'll put these in roast, vegetable soup, any recipes that call for carrot. Dilled cauliflower, that's delicious. Pickled beets. Sauerkraut. We do purple cabbage and green cabbage. Diced jalapenos. Sliced jalapenos. Sorry, sliced banana peppers. And these were actually hot banana peppers that I diced. So I do jalapenos, but this year I did this instead. Dill pickle chips. Dill pickle relish. All types of different jellies. This one's blackberry jelly. This was a blackberry. And then I had rhubarb and berries left, so I mixed those together. So I did a blackberry rhubarb jelly. These were the hot banana peppers. So I also do the jalapenos. For some reason, we grew jalapenos next to our banana peppers and all the banana peppers were on fire. So we used them all as jalapenos. I think that's everything I have here, but I also do chili beans, which I'm out of. We run out of those fast, so I need to do more next time, which I will be doing soon because I'm out of those. And then otherwise, as things come in the garden, it's getting planted real soon. As things come in, I will be doing tutorials on how to can each thing. So make sure to follow along to watch how I do it and what all we make.